Hey everybody, Holly here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and what's Holly drinking today? Well, I've got a funny story for you. So, a while back we did a Tipsy Tuesday on how to roast beets. And the people from Diamond Glacier 33 Vodka reached out and said, oh, that's so cool, my son really loves beets, blah, 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 blah. And I thought, well, what if we make a beet cocktail? So, we came up with this recipe and it's very interesting. I think it's really tasty, and if you like beet juice, you will like it for sure. So we're going to make a ginger beet martini, okay? So let's start with, let's throw a little bit of ice in our shaker. This is very unique and it's such a gorgeous color because of the beet juice, but be careful of course because beets are gonna stain like crazy. So we've got our Diamond Glacier 33. We'll go with a couple of ounces of this guy. To that, we're gonna add some fresh beet juice. I bought it at my local juice bar, okay? Then I did some homemade ginger simple syrup, super yum, and some fresh lemon juice. And all we're gonna do is give them a shake. Once again, be careful with this one because that beet juice, okay? Just a quick little shake. Look at this color. Is that just gorgeous? Oh. Perfect for the holidays. Okay. Ooh, see? It's already messy. So let's take our Beet Martini glass and very carefully pour in. Ooh. It looks like red wine, doesn't it? It's like crazy. Okay. Now I've got some candied ginger I'm gonna add as a cute little compliment garnish. Whoopsie. Let's see if we can make him stay. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? Like I said, it's very unique and it's very healthy, right? Let's taste it. Oh, that's so yummy. I love beets, so it works for me. If you don't like beets, you wouldn't like it that much, but if you like beets, you'd love it. And the ginger, and it's nice and sweet. So give it a try. It's easy breezy.